Good day, class. I want to go over some real quick hints for exercise 6.3. First, exercise 6.3 is determining the proportion of correct selection decisions. Below you'll find two sets of numbers. The first number represents the employee's score on a selection test. Typically, the company must hire half of the applicants who apply for jobs. The second number represents the number of months the employee was employed with the company. To be considered a success, the employee must stay with the company long enough for it to recoup its recruitment and training costs. The company believes that this period is 5 months. So let's walk through the initial steps so you have an understanding of what you need to do, at least initially, to finish this project. We have test scores and tenure for all the applicants that we'll be hiring. We have the chart so that we can map out our correct and incorrect decisions. We must remember that we must hire 10 people and tenure is 5 months. That is only when we are considered to have a success. This line here represents 5 months that's put on the chart. Again, long enough to recover the money of recruitment and training costs, 5 months tenure. So now let's look at the very first participant here. Test score 2, tenure 4. So we've just added that to the chart. Test score 2, tenure 4 months. Now, we know that we'll have to put this into quadrants. So we have quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. It goes clockwise. We just added an additional one of test score 6, tenure 7. So that's the next one, participant number 2. Test score 6, tenure 7. And we see where that winds up on the chart. So if we look at this, the quadrants are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 as we have listed here. Quadrant 1, low score, high tenure. Quadrant 2, high score, high tenure. Quadrant 3, high score, low tenure. Quadrant 4, low score, low tenure. Remember, 5 months tenure is considered success with the company. Those below the 5-month line would be failures. Those above, successes. The company will hire half of the applicants or 10 people. The high test performance, so a line will be drawn to separate the highest scoring 10 will fall to the right of the line and from the lowest scoring 10 which will fall to the left of the line. That should give you some really good ideas as to how to complete this assignment. Hopefully it helps.